Hello, my name is Mrs. Johnson, and this video is going to show you how to set up your Google Drive to work offline. You're going to want to go to your Google Apps and go to your Google Drive. Once it loads, you will see the settings. You need to click the settings and go to settings. Over here you have general, and down here it says offline. Make sure that you have a check mark placed here, and that way this will create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Make sure there's a check mark there,